So today we're going to be doing some body yoga, which is also going to benefit your face and give you really glowing skin, making sure you work to your own level with everything, and you want to breathe deeply in and out through your nose as you go down into child's pose. Now this is a beautiful technique for so many reasons. It really helps our body, our spine, but from a facial point of view, it helps to stimulate that acupressure point between the eyebrows. So it helps to soften any lines and wrinkles here by relaxing your procerus muscle between the eyebrows, and also really stimulates a lovely acupressure point, which is going to help calm the mind. You can also do an extended version of this. This helps stretch the arms and the inner thighs, and again has the same benefits between the eyebrows. Breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your nose, and knowing you can adapt any of these techniques. So if you want to place a cushion under your head or a bolster, or place something between your bottom and your heels, you can do. Remember, always work with what feels good for you. Try and relax any tension in your face as you do this, taking a deep breath in through the nose and a deep breath out through the nose. As you slowly come up to an all-fours position, look up on your inhale, arching the spine, look down on the exhale, pulling in the tummy. This is wonderful as you look up for helping to tone the front of the neck, and as you look down, it's bringing all that fresh blood and oxygen to your skin. So it's helping your face to look glowing. It's also helping it to look really relaxed as well. Now this has so many good benefits for helping you to have a healthy back, a healthy spine, and as you exhale and bring that chin in, really pull your tummy button towards your spine, so strengthening the core. We're going into downward dog now. We're going to hold here, and I like to walk through the feet here, so it's really releasing the back of the legs, but do what suits you here. Again, you're bringing the fresh blood and oxygen to the skin surface in the face, so your skin is going to look amazing and glowing after this, but you're also going to feel free from tension and stress in your body. Let's go down onto our knees and slowly bring ourselves to a back bend. Now this is a very extended back bend. In a moment I'm going to show you one that's much better if you want to do a less version, so pick between the two now. The main thing is to work with strengthening that muscle at the front of the neck, so it helps to tone the neck area. Also, we're relaxing tension and stress from the rest of the face. Slowly bring yourself up now. Come into that extended child's pose once again. Breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the nose. Relax any tension through the front of the forehead as you use that gentle pressure of the forehead against the mat. Okay, so we're coming up again and we're going into a pigeon pose. We're bringing one leg forward, and you really want to feel that working through the hip, a nice deep stretch. Moving the head from side to side. You can see the sheep in the field behind me running around now. And as you move the head from side to side, you're really working with stretching and releasing tension in the side of the face and the side of the neck, as well as really getting a lovely stretch through the spine. We're swapping sides now. Breathing deeply in and out through the nose, moving the neck just as far as feels comfortable for you. Release that tension in your neck. Remember, if you're holding any tension in your neck, shoulders or back, this is going to impact your face. So you really don't want that. So we're working with the body, the face and the mind today. Inhaling and taking a long, deep exhale as you slowly move yourself into a sitting position now. Arching the spine, looking up, then arching the other direction, pulling the tummy in. Inhale as you come up, exhale, curling the spine as you look down. So again, we're working with posture here. As we look up, we're helping to lift and tone the lower face. As we look down, we're starting to bring again that fresh blood. Let's do a twist. I love a twist for releasing tension in the upper body. Again, improving the posture. Good posture means a healthy face. We're also releasing tension, particularly through the side of the face here and all the way through the side of the neck. You may get a little distracted by the sheep again behind me. They've just run past with the sheepdog. Okay, let's go the other side now. It's really nice to do this yoga with nature. nature. So even if you're doing this inside, just take in this lovely nature from the lovely fields that look out over my garden. As you're twisting here, you're breathing, you're relaxing tension through your shoulders as much as you can. Shoulders really drop away from the ears. Now slowly coming up to a standing position, and you're going to come to that forward bend. This is so good for the face. You're flushing the face with the blood, the oxygen, the nutrients. You're stretching your spine. You're allowing your facial muscles to relax that stress and tension they may have been holding on to. Let's make our legs a little bit wider now. Take hold of opposite elbows and swing from side to side. So building up a little bit of flexibility through the legs, through the spine as well. Don't forget your breath here. Inhaling and exhaling. Remember, this is a class you can do on a daily basis. You can do it as soon as you wake up in the morning, or you can do it when you go to bed at night. Just releasing the head, letting go of any tension as you roll back up to your starting position. We're going to stretch the arms out behind you now. Apologies, the top of my head is cut off here, but you can see here I was stretching the arms, and then we're just bringing the arms into those big wings and just slightly shaking the head from side to side here. Again, head cut off, but we're okay. You've done your yoga workout, well done, and don't forget to keep repeating this as often as you can.